The message is looking brighter, already paid up the fight, but my game is getting much tighter. I feel my body on fire. Now it's game time. All the practice to prepare for this main time. I could do anything, that's my baseline. Go ahead and do you, I'ma make mine. You gon' read me in the headlines. Always go up, I don't know a decline. On the glow up, getting better with time. Yeah, I'm about to hit my prime. The air is filled up with suspense. We've got our dreams we must affect, and we know what we represent. So we'll keep fighting till the end, and we'll keep fighting till we win. Yeah, we'll keep fighting till the end, and we'll keep fighting till we win. You're ready for battle, you better get on the saddle. We got some demons to tackle, yeah. We about to put on a show. These haters don't even know, they're in too deep like a hole. And they about to find out what it means when you enter into my house. How it feels when you always seem to strike out. Cause I don't lose, no I win, I go all out. The air is filled with suspense. We've got our dreams we must affect, and we know what we represent. So we'll keep fighting till the end, and we'll keep fighting till we win. Yeah, we'll keep fighting till the end, and we'll keep fighting till we win. They can feel the storm, it's coming. They can hear the drum beat thumping. Off in the distance, we're the resistance. They gon' be the one who's running. They can feel the storm, it's coming. They can hear the drum beat thumping. Off in the distance, we're the resistance. They gon' be the one who's running. They can feel the storm, it's coming. They can hear the drum beat thumping. Off in the distance, we're the resistance. They gon' be the one who's running. They can feel the storm, it's coming. They can hear the drum beat thumping. Off in the distance, we're the resistance. They gon' be the one who's running.
Yeah, let's go. I don't think even have enough weight to strike that. Watch him bounce up.
There you go. Get it.
Hey, park your car. Is that it? It's only one?
Do we got one more, or is that it?
A redo.
Was that it? That was it.
All right, we're gonna do another mini game.